Well, I'm from southeast London originally. I was born and raised in Eltham, went to school and to sixth form college in southeast London. But my father bought me the Mabinogi when I was about 15, and everything changed direction from that. I first came here as on holidays when I was a child. The very first place I visited in Wales was Criccieth. I was absolutely blown away with the scenery. I mean, if you go from a few woody hills in southeast England to these fantastic mountains, and it's absolutely extraordinary scenery, and the fact that they're so big that they close in around you, that I think was part of one of the reasons that I was automatically, if you like, fell in love with Wales from a very early age with that. I partly because of that, I got more. I read children's stories about which had Wales as a background, and then I went to Aberystwyth University where I learned Welsh, and I found myself committed in all ways. And then, although I went back to London for a little bit, the one thing that you never get in a place like London, although it's great fun, is the sense that you belong somewhere, and the sense that you belong to a community. That is what has always drawn me in to Plaid Cymru, is that real sense that we are building and rebuilding, in some cases, communities that will hold up and prop up those individuals when they need support, but will also really give those individuals the roots from which they can grow and fly in future.